This is the new format for the channel. So yeah, rebrand again. This time it's going to stick. I promise you, this time it's going to stick. So we, moving forwards, are going to be known as Black Box Trading Bots. And what we're going to focus here on the channel is we're still going to be doing crypto updates. We're still going to be bringing you market alpha in terms of new projects, BRC, 20 tokens, ordinal inscriptions, and all the fun things that are happening in the market. But we're also going to introduce a free trading bot that is designed to trade Bitcoin that, you know, history doesn't necessarily have to repeat itself, but historically speaking, it has provided 10 times the gains of Bitcoin. So if you guys are interested, take a look, links down below. And this video is more so just going to explain why. So for those of you who have been watching the channel for a while, you'll know that we have been trading this strategy known as Alphanumetrix. It's not new. We've been trading Alphanumetrix for years, and we've been teaching people how to use the indicator and how to follow the Alphanumetrix method, the Alphanumetrix strategy. And we've learned a few things over the years. One of the things that newcomers or newer traders tend to do is they tend to overtrade. And that's fine because, you know, you're trying to figure out this market. You're trying to figure out your trading style. You're looking at different blockchains. You're looking at different products, and you're trying to make sense of what has value, what doesn't have value, and how can you speculate on those findings. But in my experience, less is always more. The less you trade and the more intentional and convicted you are to a trade, the more likely you are to experience a positive outcome. And what we've noticed is a lot of the people who sign up with Alphanumetrix, they love the indicator, but they find themselves not following it. And I think that that can be boiled down to a few reasons. First and foremost is the frequency of the signals. Alphanumetrix does not fire very often. It really doesn't. It doesn't fire very often at all. You might get a couple signals per year. That's it. And for somebody who is experimenting and looking at different products and trying to figure out what kind of a trader they are, it's very easy to forget about Alphanumetrix while you're trying different things. So what ends up happening as people forget about Alphanumetrix is they forget to look at it and they miss the signals. This has happened time and time again, and historically speaking, those signals are probably the most powerful signals in cryptocurrency. It pretty much tells you when to get in at the beginning of a bull market when everybody thinks you're in the middle of a bear, and then it gets you out at the end of the bull market when everybody's convinced that we're going to do many multiples higher. It buys when there is extreme fear in the market, and it tells you to sell when there is extreme euphoria. It's a counter trend trade method. So what ends up happening is a lot of people get left behind. They're like, shit, I forgot about Alphanumetrix, and now, you know, what's a good entry? What's a good entry? And that's a very difficult question to answer, because once you're up many multiples or many percentage points past what would be a reasonable stop loss that Alphanumetrix would have gotten you in on, you really expose yourself to a large amount of risk. And when trading and investing, you need to mitigate that risk. You need to make sure that your stops are somewhere reasonable where they're not going to get hit, but also, you know, up above key support levels that are not going to invalidate the trade. So it becomes very difficult if you're late to a signal. This is why we invented Black Box. Black Box is basically Alphanumetrix on autopilot. It's something that you can put to work in the background, and it's going to allow you to just passively trade Bitcoin while you're entertaining yourself with figuring out what kind of a trader you are. This is something that's kind of designed to be your benchmark of performance, because the benchmark before was, hey, I just got to outperform Bitcoin. Now it's, hey, I need to outperform Black Box. So this is the direction of the channel. Not a whole lot is going to change. We're going to still offer the same content, We're going to still offer the same live streams. We still have the private group as well. So not a lot is going to change. The biggest new offer that we're going to be making is BLKBöX, which is a free to use software. This is a premium product that we're giving away for free. The only thing that we ask of you is that you use the bot with one of our partner exchanges under one of our trading links. That's how we can monetize the bot with no cost to you. If you guys enjoy this, please leave it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this with anybody that you think would benefit from a free Bitcoin trading bot. And until next time, please trade safe. It is a jungle out there. Peace.